Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to study cyber safety. Before moving to the chapter, I want to let you know what is cyber and what is safety. Cyber means something related to computers as well as internet. And safety means we are ensuring that we are safe when we are in the virtual world of computers. So, let's start. These are the learning outcomes of today's topic. Internet, advantages and disadvantages of the internet, what is computing ethics, what are unethical practices, what is cybercrime, what are the safety measures while using computer, the internet, and last but not least, what is digital footprints. What is internet? The internet means international network. It is the biggest worldwide communication network of computers. The internet has millions of smaller domestic, academic, business and government networks which together carry many different kinds of information. The short form of internet is the net. It is used by billions of people all over the world. So, our next topic is advantages and disadvantages of the internet. Let's see what are the advantages. In advantages, education means information on almost every subject. The internet provides the ability of emails, free mail services to anyone in the country. Business means financial transactions can be made online from the offices or home. E-commerce means we can purchase a variety of goods and get services from different shopping sites around the world. What is the meaning of media and entertainment? Internet TV, example Hotstar. Internet radio, like Radio Mirchi. It means we can entertain ourselves by using internet. Social networking, example Facebook, Twitter, etc., where we can share our views on a platform. Forum means it is an online discussion site where like-minded, same-minded people can hold conversations in the form of posted messages. Health and fitness. Internet provides us various medical sites where one can read more about various diseases, their remedies, and precautionary measures. Although the internet is one of man's greatest creations, it also has many disadvantages, several of which are listed in the following section are virus threats, spamming, thefts of personal information, pornography, cyber terrorism, time wastage. For better understanding, let's see one video on the topic advantages and disadvantages of the internet.
Internet is a worldwide network of computerized devices and servers. Data travels to and from among computer systems and servers. The organization that provides the internet facility to users is called Internet Service Provider or ISP. Advantages. There are many advantages of using internet. We can make donations online. We can send and receive information across large number of computer systems. Through email service, we can send messages. Today, we don't need to visit crowded stores. We can make online purchases through internet. We can send birthday greeting cards through the internet. Before making any purchases, we can check online for user reviews of the products. Using social media applications, we can reconnect to our old school friends. We can gather information and also apply online for new job openings. We can earn online by doing freelancing jobs, selling online, completing surveys, affiliate marketing, etc. We can also sell old items that are of no use for us. During idle time, we can listen to music or watch a video. Disadvantages. The disadvantages of internet are: we often tend to purchase extra items that make wastage of money. The internet is not free. Sometimes it hurts while paying bills. We get confused with too many choices of vendors selling products. The physical distance among loved ones is increasing. Somewhere the emotional connect between people are missing. We feel helpless when the internet connection is down. We always remain engaged with many online activities. We don't get time to rest. Our life is moving at the pace of internet. We seldom spare few moments of peace for us. Conclusion. We should not allow internet to distract or disturb our mind. We should use it in a way that brings harmony in life.
Our next topic is computer ethics. What do you mean by ethics? Ethics is a set of moral principles that governs the behavior of a group or an individual. How you behave on internet, that is called ethics. Some common issues of computer ethics include intellectual property right, such as copyrighted electronic content, privacy concerns, and how computer affects society. For better understanding, watch the next video.
Ethics in computing. Ethics are a set of moral principles that governs an individual or a group on what is acceptable behavior while using a computer. Cyber ethics is a code of behavior for moral, legal, and social issues on the internet or cyber technology. Cyber ethics also include obeying laws that apply to online behavior. Cyberbullying is the use of information technology to repeatedly harm or harass other people in a deliberate manner. With the increase in use of these technologies, cyberbullying has become increasingly common, especially among teenagers. Acceptance. World Wide Web is a place where values are considered in a broadest sense. We must take care while shaping content and services, and we should recognize that interest is not apart from universal society, but it is a primary component of it. Sensitivity to national and local cultures. It belongs to all, and there is no barrier of national and local cultures. It cannot be subject to one set of values like local TV channel, a local newspaper, and we have to accommodate multiplicity of usage. While using email and chatting, internet must be used for communication with family and friends. We should not use the internet chatting for communicating with strangers and should not forward the emails from strangers. Pretending someone else. We must not use the internet to pretend as someone else and fool others. Avoid bad language. We must not use rude or bad language while using email, chatting, blogging, and social networking. We need to respect others. Hide personal information. We should teach children not to give personal details like home address, phone numbers, interests, passwords to anyone. No photographs should be sent to strangers. While downloading, internet is used to learn about music, video, and games by listening to it and learning how to play games. We must not use it for downloading them or share the copyrighted material.